Hello everyone, welcome to our project. The central processing unit can be called a CPU. As you know, a computer always needs a CPU. It is an important part of the computer that can be called the brain. So what is a CPU? We will find out.
First of all, central processing unit is an important part of the computer which has a role in performing mathematical operations and processing information. It is key common from the software control the operation of other components in the system and manage the data.
There are 5 components inside CPU, which are the controller unit, the register, the arithmetic logic unit, the memory management unit, and the clock. The chip manufacturing process is complex and goes through many steps. The first step is design. Chip designers use specialized software to create a model of the chip. Next comes wafer manufacturing. A wafer is a thin disk made from semiconductors, commonly known as silicon. The wafer is coated with a semiconductor layer and then cut into small pieces called mold. The third step is photolithography. Light is used to create circuit patterns on the wafer. A light-sensitive material is irradiated through a sample plate, and unnecessary parts are removed. The fourth step is ion diffusion and implantation. The atoms are implanted into the wafer to create regions of different conductivity. Finally, assembly and packing. After the circuits are made, each mold is cut out and mounted on a base, then assembled and packaged for protection.
CPU activity is divided into 3 stages: fetch command, order processing, and storing result. Firstly, the CPU fetches the command from the memory, then it begins to determine the action to be performed and specify the component needed for that one. After that, the CPU begins processing the command by performing mathematical calculation, logical comparison, manipulating data, and so on. Finally, the CPU stores the result in memory. The PC is updated to point to the address of the command that needed to be fetched next. The CPU repeats that loop until they get a stop order.
After all the important information of the central processing unit, are you wondering how many brands of CPUs are there? To my knowledge, there are about 10 to 15 different brands, but since the time is limited, so I will only mention some of prominent brands of this product. I'm pretty sure people will be familiar with this company, that is Intel. Intel is one of the world's famous CPU manufacturing for optimizing speed, processing information to popular CPUs such as Intel Core i3, i5, i7, and more. The next brand is equally well known and considered as Intel Big Rival, that is AMD. AMD is one of the world's largest chip and CPU brands. They have popular CPUs such as AMD Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, along with outstanding overclocking capability. So that is all of our video.
Henshin!
朝焼けに包まれて走り